adding to the fears of lead poisoning are concerns that the lead was put into the kids' food on purpose. The FDA believes that's the case. On purpose, someone contaminated this applesauce. Joining us now is Bill Marler, food and safety attorney and advocate. Bill, how does lead wind up in cinnamon, which is where they think the contamination happened?
Well, it can happen when just in normal growth in the forest where they're harvesting cinnamon. It can, but they still need to check for it. But to have the lead levels that we're seeing in this product, 2,000 times what even would be considered relatively normal, is really unprecedented. And I think that's why the FDA believes that there must have been some contamination event. I've been doing this kind of work for 30 years. And first of all, thank you for covering this. It's really important that families get their kids tested. My heart goes out to this family and all these families that are suffering. But, I've been doing this kind of work for 30 years, and it's very, very rare when you have a contamination event that is purposeful. We've seen it, and those people have gone to jail, which is the right thing to do. Here, these companies are in South America. The FDA has very little control over this supply chain, which really begs the question is, why were these companies using a supply chain that stretched to Ecuador and beyond?
Right.
It's really amazing.
You talked about those levels. We're talking 2,000 times what you would normally find in cinnamon being found in these pouches. Why would somebody intentionally contaminate the cinnamon that winds up in the food, this food for kids?
There's no benefit. We've certainly seen melamine, which is a plastic, being put in infant formula in China and in dog food in China because it spikes the protein level. There's no real benefit to putting lead in there. So at this point, I think it's speculation as to, why this happened. But it's obviously, shouldn't have happened. I think it just underscores the fact that the FDA, especially when it comes to imported products and that supply chain, we've got a lot of holes. And we're seeing this happen, to these poor families. And, as a father of 3 daughters who are now in their 20s, I can't even imagine how pissed I would be, to put it bluntly. This is just beyond the pale.
Is there a chance that this lead could be found in other products with cinnamon?
Well, we're just sort of lucky that we found this out at all. I mean, thank goodness that, we've got government actually doing lead testing on children. And that's really how they tumbled to this. So, short of doing lead testing, on all of us who've eaten cinnamon over the last year, I don't know how else to get to the bottom of it. But, I think it just really underscores how important when people are importing a product. And I put the blame not just on the FDA, but the companies that are selling this in the United States. It's their responsibility to know their supply chain, to have a tight supply chain, to be doing product testing, so this kind of thing doesn't happen. Whether it's lead in applesauce or salmonella on cantaloupe, we're seeing it all happen again and again and again, and it's just frustrating.
But very quickly, Bill, what do you make of the fact that the parents I just spoke to mailed a letter to the company that, that sells the applesauce, telling them your applesauce is tainted and poisoned my son, and they got a form letter in response?
Like I said, I've been doing this a long time. I've sued every company you could imagine in the United States. Sometimes that's just what you have to do. And, I encourage families to get their kids tested, get the treatment they need. But, if they need to hire a lawyer and make these people accountable.
Yeah, and by the way, when you look on the label there, it doesn't say made with cinnamon from Ecuador, and in a plant that hasn't been tested. Every parent reads that ingredient list. We all do. It does not say this comes from Ecuador, this comes from some other far-flung place, this comes from some other place where they're not doing any testing. We don't know. We're trusting these American companies are selling food that is safe to eat. Bill Marler, thank you so much for joining us tonight. Really appreciate it.
Thank you for covering this. Really appreciate it.
Thanks so much for watching. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.